Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I'm Casey and I love to teach styling tips and solutions just to help you feel better about your style and the way that you look. Today we are going to talk about 10 ways to help you feel more put together. Now these are very simple solutions, so simple that you may not even know that you are doing them wrong, which also means that they are very easy to fix. And I guarantee that you will just elevate your look and feel a whole lot more put together. The first way to look more put together starts with our nails. Just something so easy but makes a big impact. When I was a little girl and I was sitting on the pews of the church with my family, my dad would always take my hand and just push back my cuticles. And that is something that I have carried with me forever. It's just give them a little pushback. And if they need a little trim, just trim them. It's so easy and it helps them from looking, shaggy and not cute. We are actually in the middle of COVID, so any nail salon has been closed for a month. Anything that resembled like something pretty on my nails is also long gone, and I am just left with all natural. So I've been applying a clear coat and it just really helps to elevate my nails and help them feel a little bit more polished. No pun intended. The next way to look more put together is by simply giving your hair part just a little bit of attention. This is not cute. You don't want the uneven lines, nothing jagged. Please don't do the zigzag. Just a clean part down the middle of your head or off to the side if that's what you like. This is so much better. The next way to look more put together is by giving your brows some love. By defining your brows, whether it is by tweezing them or waxing them or threading them, it is going to help define the other features in your face. It is going to give symmetry to your face and just help you look more put together. Along with cleaning up my brows, I love to use some sort of pencil. This will give them a little bit more definition and fill in those spots that may be a little bit more sparse, like when I over tweezed my eyebrows when I was 15. I have tried so many pencils and love the Hourglass brow sculpting pencil. One end is a slanted pencil while the other end is a brush to blend it all in. Days when I really want my eyebrows to pop, I will also add the Glossy Boy Brow. This is a gel and it puts everything into place while also depositing some color. They also offer clear gel options. If you dye your hair like me, then you know what happens around week 7, week 8, maybe even week 6, and it's not cute. Our grays start popping, the color underneath starts coming through, and I have a solution for you that is not a baseball cap. It is this stuff. Oh, it is root cover-up, magic root cover-up. It's true to its name and it is just the greatest. During this pandemic, no salons are open. Some people may be stockpiling toilet paper. I am stockpiling root cover-up because I know I am going to need it, and I will show you how it works because it's so simple. That is it, you guys. You spray it, you don't need to rub it in, it's not sticky, and it will last you one shampoo. I will link it down below because I know that there's nothing worse than root grow out and having your appointment a few days or even a week off. The fifth way to look more put together is by, where'd these come from? Is by removing your ponytails. They're not cute, they're not jewelry. Don't wear them on your wrists, just take them off. The next tip to looking more put together is something that I like to call the magic 3. Now in interior design, you will see that designers like to couple things in groups of 3. It is just so much more pleasing to the eye and it gives it a very complete and finished look. Well, the same is true to fashion. If you are looking to feel more put together in your dress, try adding a 3rd layer. This 3rd layer is kind of the magic piece. Even if you are wearing joggers and a tee, by adding that 3rd layer, whether it is a cardigan or a bomber jacket, it is going to help complete the look and just help you look a little bit more polished and put together. The 7th way to look more put together is by adding just a little bit of moisturizer to your lips. Dry, cracked lips was never a good look, and it's just so easy to fix. Whether you're doing chapstick or lip gloss, or if you want to get real cray and do some lipstick, this is going to help bring color into your lips and just help your face look more refreshed and your whole look be more put together. If you are feeling tired or sad or just need a pick-me-up, this next tip is gonna work for you, and it is so easy, and it is simply wearing a pop. When you wear a color that pops and looks good with your face and your complexions, it's also going to help your features pop, your eyes, your hair color. It's going to help you look less tired and ultimately help you look more put together. The next way to look more put together is by using my little friend here, and that is dry shampoo. I can't tell you how many bottles of this I have because it is my lifesaver. I just love it. When I can't take another shower to wash my hair, I apply this all over the place. Here and back here. You guys, I live with dry shampoo. Not only does it take away the grease, but it will also help give me a little bit of grit in my hair if I just need some volume. So this is kind of a little trick for that as well. The last, but probably not final way to look more put together is perfume. Just a spritz of it will just brighten your day, and obviously it doesn't change how you look, but you are going to feel more polished and put together. I am partial to Jo Malone because it comes in a ton of different scents that you can mix and match together. Some days I want to smell a little bit more musky, other days more citrusy. Yeah, I love me some perfume. I feel so much more sexy in it. There you have it, 10 ways to look and feel more put together. Now, a lot of these did not require much effort at all, but you feel so much more put together when you do them. You can open up that description down below to get a link to anything that I talked about. And please subscribe. I love when you guys follow my channel because then you know when I have released a new video. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.